rechargeable, and I am in love with this. I bought, this is no lie, I have 4 adult children, and 5 if you count my daughter-in-law. So I bought 5 of these for Christmas, and they each got a flosser, a water flosser, because I use it, my husband uses it, and it's so great. We love it. So this is Philips Sonicare, and first of all, I'm a huge Philips Sonicare fan too. Toothbrush as well. But this is a flosser for $69.98, should be $85, so we're saving you $15. But also, keep in mind, we're gonna give you a $10 rebate. So I got $50 back because I bought 5 of them. And it's like after Christmas. That was kind of a nice little $50.
It's a good little
gift. Exactly. And I want to introduce you to Daniela Galdi.
Hello.
She's here to tell us all about it. How are you?
I'm good. I'm so happy to hear that you love this and
Yes.
your family loves it.
Yes.
So I love it too. I'm a new mom. It's quick, easy, effective. I'm an avid floss denier, like most of us.
Exactly.
And when I used this, I was getting rave reviews from the dentist, the hygienist, everybody saying, your teeth look beautiful, keep doing what you're doing.
Right.
Here's why. This flosser, this cordless power flosser from Philips, is going to give you 99.9% removal of the plaque biofilm that lives on our teeth and in our gums. Yes.
That's amazing.
99.9. That's a very close, you know, point one.
That's pretty much everything.
That's pretty much overall. It's going to give you that overall clean. And we've got our quad stream nozzle that we have today. Yes.
And we have to talk about what that is.
I want to talk to you about that. It's a 4-way jet. So with the pressurized system that you're going to get from a flosser, this is going to give you 9 times more coverage, and I want to show you over here. So if you are at home, right, you're going in this way in the front, right?
Yeah.
And so you don't have to worry about the traditional floss, right? You just don't have to worry about that. You go right in, put it on the highest setting, and you're going to get the most effective 60-second clean. Look how quick that is. Bam, right away. You're seeing I've got half the mouth already happening. We've got the broccoli in there.
And this mouth has braces.
This mouth has braces, yes. And you can see there how clean it got just in a few seconds of using this. We didn't even hit the pause, that quad pacer that helps you to stay on track.
There is a quad pacer that actually beeps every 15 seconds, so you can move to a different quadrant of your mouth. You can use this to do the exterior of the teeth and the interior of the teeth. And I thought it was going to be like so hugely messy. I don't find them to be that messy. And boy, there's the quad stream. I'll tell you, that makes a huge difference.
It's a huge difference, and that's what you're seeing here is that 4-way jet. That's the power of the X. So it is more effective than a standard nozzle. Now what you're seeing is the single one, so if you got that at our TSV, you can actually go on QVC and get the quad stream so that you have that quicker clean, and you're gonna get in the gums, right? And there's pores and pits in there that where all the germs live, and that's what causes bad breath, that's what causes cavities, that's what causes the tartar, removes the enamel, right? So we want to keep those teeth as strong as we keep everything else on our overall health and body.
We have mint or white. So you can get the mint green or the white, doesn't matter. Now, how does this rebate work?
Yes, so the rebate, it comes either in the box or you can go online and do it. You're gonna need the code that's on the box, so don't throw away that packaging. You fill it out, you send it in, and you get a $10 gift card. You can use it on QVC, you can use it on this quad stream.
It's
extra,
so
right? Yeah, and I want to.
And by the way, this is rechargeable.
Yeah.
So you don't have to have it plugged in all the time. Like literally, we just plug it into a USB port, right?
Yes. So it comes with the USB, and then you take one of those blocks that we have just like sitting in drawers at home.
Yeah.
And you plug it in anywhere. You can plug it into your laptop. I called my sister the other day because my nephew just got braces. And I said, "Did you get the cordless one yet?" And she said, "No." And I sit and I look, and this other system that's huge and bulky just sits on the counter and not used. So this has the USB, Mary Beth.
Yeah.
And so it's quick, easy. You can take it with you when you travel. You can take it with you in the shower.
I was just going to say, can I get it? Can I use it in the shower?
Yes.
Some people
absolutely.
brush their teeth in the shower. But here's what I want to just remind you. First of all, QVC is saving you $15 off of our regular price. Then you're going to get another $10 back in a rebate, but you got to fill out the paperwork and read the instructions when you get it home. But here's the part that I think is absolutely crucial. I want you to look at me because I'm going to tell you right in your face the truth of the matter is, for so many years, literally ignored these water flossers because I thought, oh, it's going to be so messy. I don't want to do that, you know? But my teeth are tight, very tight. I have a smaller mouth, believe it or not. I know you don't believe it, but anyway. But these are hard for me to do, so I typically didn't, right? I brush my teeth every morning, every night, and then use my water flosser. I can't believe what the water flosser gets out that my toothbrush left behind. And I use a Sonicare toothbrush. So I'm just telling you, that's why I got them for all of my adult kids, because, and I say adult kids because I don't have any that aren't adults. That's why. I have 4.
Well, they're all using it. And so, like you said,
I want them to have really good dental checkups, you know?
Yeah, from any age, right? Any age, we want to make sure that you know, too, you get 9 times coverage of the area with this quad stream, that 4-way jet that comes out of this. The power of the X is what we call it.
Right.
And this is different than any standard nozzle, right? Because you're getting a quicker clean. You can see right there how quickly it goes right against the gums. It feels nicer than that single standard one, right? It's a little massage there, Mary Beth, and it covers 9 times the amount you would normally get with any other system or any other standard nozzle.
And if it can work with braces, it can work for anybody. Daniela, thank you so much.
Enjoy your
flossing. Green or white. But I'm now like on my soapbox about water flossing. And I think it makes so much sense now that we don't have to have those big, you know, like pots on our bathroom countertops. In the meantime, by the way, still to come from Philosophy, we